Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth video lecture of Module 1 Calculus of Complex Functions and Construction of Analytic Functions. In this lecture, we will discuss some problems on analytic functions. So let's start with this first question. If f of z is equal to u of xy plus iv of xy is analytic, then prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square of mod f of z square is equal to 4 mod f dash of z square. Here given f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic and we need to prove this result. So what is modulus of f of z, where f of z is u plus iv? So modulus of f of z is root of real part square plus imaginary part square, that is root of u square plus v square. So modulus of f of z square will be u square plus v square. So f of z is u plus iv, mod f of z square is u square plus v square. Then take the left hand side of the result. Okay, so substitute for mod f of z whole square from this. So the left side becomes mod f of z whole square is u square plus v square. Substituting we get this. Next we can simplify the right hand side. We can write it as dou square by dou x square of u square plus dou square by dou x square of v square plus dou square by dou y square of u square plus dou square by dou y square of v square. Then we will find the 4 second order partial derivatives. These 4 second order partial derivatives, dou square by dou x square of u square, etc. Then substitute in this right hand side and simplify, and we'll try to get this right hand side. Okay, so first start with this dou square by dou x square of u square. Take this and find this. So what is dou square by dou x square of u square? We can write dou square by dou x square as dou by dou x of dou by dou x. So we can write this as dou by dou x of dou u square by dou x, that is dou by dou x of, what is dou by dou x of u square? We have to differentiate u square with respect to x partially. Here u is function of x and y. Note this, we need to differentiate u square with respect to x, keeping y constant. So what is the derivative? So it is dou by dou x of differentiate u square with respect to x, keeping y constant. Derivative will be 2 into u into dou u by dou x. So we get this dou by dou x of 2u ux. Next, differentiate dou u ux with respect to x partially. Now here we have u is function of x and ux is function of x. So we have this is 2u ux is product of two functions. The first function is 2u, second function is ux. We can take and use product rule and differentiate. So keep one function constant and differentiate the other function. So what is the derivative? Keep 2u constant, first function 2u constant, and differentiate ux with respect to x. So dou by dou x of ux, dou by dou x of dou u by dou x is dou square u by dou x square, or we can write uxx plus, now second term, this is ux, keep constant, derivative of 2u with respect to x is 2 into dou u by dou x, that is 2ux, 2ux into ux, so it is 2 into ux square. So this is our dou square u square by dou x square. Okay, similarly dou square y square by dou square by dou y square of u square. So just simply we can write, okay, so this will be with respect to y, if we differentiate 2 times we will get a 2u uyy plus 2uy whole square. Next, dou square dou square by dou x square of v square. Okay, so it is using same 2 vxx plus 2 vx square, and dou square v square by dou y square will be 2 vyy plus 2 vy the square. Okay, next we are going to substitute all these in the right hand side here. Next we simplify this and write. So this becomes equal to dou square u square by dou x square plus dou square u square by dou y square plus dou square v square by dou x square plus dou square v square by dou y square. Okay, and then substitute for these four partial derivatives from this. Substitute these four here in the right hand side. So we get in the next step, right hand side will be this 2u uxx plus 2 ux square plus 2u uyy plus 2 uy square plus 2v vxx plus 2 vx square plus 2v vyy plus 2 vy square. Next, simplify the right hand side. So here if you look at this 2u uxx, 2u uyy, 2u is common, so we can take 2u outside the bracket and write 2u into uxx plus uyy. Similarly, we have 2v vxx, 2v vyy. So take 2v outside the bracket and write 2v vxx plus vyy. And here we have 2 ux square plus 2 vx square. Okay, we can write 2 into ux square plus vx square and 2u y square plus 2 vy square. So we can write 2 times uy square plus vy square. Okay, so the right hand side becomes this now. Next, now since f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, u and v satisfy Cauchy-Riemann equations ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. Also, the u and v will be, since f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, u and v satisfy Laplace equation, that is u and v are harmonic functions. So we have u satisfies this equation uxx plus uyy equal to 0, and we have vxx plus vyy equal to 0. So if I substitute here uxx plus uyy, this term becomes 0. Similarly, third term becomes 0. Putting vxx plus vyy equal to 0, this term becomes 0. Okay, next we have this 2 ux square plus 2 plus vx square, and here we have 2 uy square plus vy square. Okay, so in the next step we are going to substitute for uy square and vy square. We write this as a function of x only, because here we have f dash of z equal to ux plus ivx. So we need to write right hand side in terms of mod f dash of z. So we need to express in terms of partial derivative with respect to x only. So uy, okay, so uy from this, okay, so uy is minus vx. So what is uy square? Minus vx the whole square, or uy square is vx square. Similarly, vy square is ux square. So substitute. So we'll get this. This term becomes 2 into vx square plus ux square. Okay, so substituting these two here, we get 2 times vx square plus ux square, and here we have 2 times ux square plus vx square. Simplifying, we get 4 times ux square plus vx square. But we have ux square plus vx square is nothing but modulus of f dash of z square, because we have f dash of z is ux plus ivx. Modulus of f dash of z is root of real part square plus imaginary part square, that is root of ux square plus vx square, or mod f dash of z square is ux square plus vx square. So this completes the proof of the problem. Now let's go through this question. If f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, then prove that dou by dou x of mod f of z whole square plus dou by dou y of mod f of z whole square is equal to mod f dash of z square. So here, what is mod f of z? Mod f of z is root of u square plus b square. So given f of z equal to u plus iv, mod f of z is root of u square plus v square. Now substitute this in the left hand side of the required result. So what it becomes? So here dou by dou x of root u square plus v square whole square plus dou by dou y of root u square plus v square whole square. Okay, next simplify the right hand side and get the right hand side of the required result. So what is dou by dou x of root u square plus v square? Differentiate root of u square plus v square with respect to x partially. That is, differentiate root u square plus v square with respect to x keeping y constant. Derivative of root u square plus v square is 1 by 2 root of u square plus v square. Then into differentiate u square now. So with respect to x, derivative will be 2u ux plus v square. Differentiate v square with respect to x, so it is 2v vx. So whole square plus similarly second term we have derivative is 1 by 2 root of u square plus v square into 2u uy plus 2v vy, this whole square. So next step, so here we have 2 is common in the numerator, take it outside and cancel with this 2. Similarly here also, so it simplifies to u ux plus v vx by root of u square plus v square whole square plus u uy plus v vy by root of u square plus v square whole square. Or squaring these two terms, we get denominator will be root of u square plus v square whole square is u square plus v square, and here we have u square u ux plus v vx whole square plus here u uy plus v vy whole square, and use a plus b whole square formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and expand these two terms. Okay, now this denominator u square plus v square is common, we can take it in the denominator. So here it becomes u square ux square plus v square vx square plus 2 times u ux plus v vx, that is 2 u v ux vx. Similarly use a plus b whole square formula, here it becomes u square uy square plus v square vy square plus 2 times u uy v vy, that is 2 times uv uy vy. Okay, so that is, now simplify the right hand side. Here we have these two terms. Okay, u square ux square plus u square uy square, u square is common, so we can write it as u square into ux square plus uy square. Then we have these two terms, v square is common, we can write v square into vx square plus vy square. Okay, and here ux 2u v ux vx plus 2u v uy vy. So next step, we can, here given function is analytic, f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, u and v satisfy Cauchy-Riemann equations, that is ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. We are going to substitute for uy and vy here in the next step. So we have in the next step, left side of the result is equal to u square into ux square plus uy square plus v square into ux square plus vy square plus 2uv ux vx plus 2uv uy vy divided by u square plus v square. Now since f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, so we have ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy, or we can write ux square equal to vy square, vx square equal to uy square. Also here ux vx, we can write it as ux into vx is from this minus uy into vy, and we are going to replace here this ux vx by minus uy vy. So this becomes minus 2uv uy vy plus 2uv uy, so that we can cancel these two terms, and we are going to replace uy square by vx square and vy square by ux square. Okay, so this becomes, right side becomes equal to this, and you can see here numerator these two terms. Okay, these two terms, first term, second term, we have ux square plus vx square is common. Take it outside the bracket, so it becomes u square ux square plus vx square into u square plus v square. Okay, and next step we can cancel this common factor u square plus v square, so it becomes ux square plus vx square. And we have mod f dash of z is formula for f dash of z is ux plus ivx, and we have modulus of f dash of z is root of ux square plus vx square, so that this ux square plus vx square is modulus of f dash of z square. Okay, so we are getting this dou by dou x of mod f of z whole square plus dou by dou y of mod f of z whole square is equal to mod f dash of z square. That completes the solution of the problem. Next problem, if u and v are harmonic functions, show that dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou x plus I dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is analytic. So here given function, complex function, we call it as f of z, and we take the real part of the function as capital U, and we take the real imaginary part of function as capital V. So we have f of z equal to u plus capital U plus I capital B, where u is uy minus vx and v is ux plus vy. Okay, next, to prove that this f of z, given f of z function f of z is analytic, we shall prove that Cauchy-Riemann equations in the form dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y and dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y are satisfied. So we will first find these four partial derivatives ux, uy, vx and vy. So for this capital U, so what is ux? What is dou u by dou x? It is dou by dou x of uy minus vx. That is, differentiate this with respect to x partially, both the sides. So dou u by dou x equal to dou by dou x of uy minus dou by dou x of vx. That is ux equal to, so we have dou by dou x of uy is can be written as uxy minus dou by dou x of vx is vxx. Okay, next dou u by dou y. How do you get dou u by dou y or uy? Differentiate u with respect to y keeping x constant. So dou by dou y of uy, that is uyy, minus dou by dou y of vx, that is vyx. Then we have to find dou v by dou x. What is dou v by dou x? Dou by dou x of ux, that is uxx, plus dou by dou x of vy, that is vxy. Okay, then we have vy. Dou v by dou y is dou by dou y of ux, that is uyx, plus dou by dou y of vy, that is vyy. Okay, next we consider this ux minus vy. Okay, we consider ux minus vy, substitute for ux and vy in the next step and show that the difference here is equal to 0. If we prove that ux minus vy equal to 0, then that implies ux equal to vy, that is the first CR equation is satisfied. Okay, so substitute now for ux and vy. From this, ux is uxy minus vxx minus vy is uyx plus vyy. So now here uxy and here we have minus uyx, and in general these two partial derivatives are equal. So uxy is equal to uyx. So uxy minus uyx is 0. Then we have minus vxx minus vyy, or we can write minus of vxx plus vyy. And given u and v are harmonic functions, so we have u and v satisfy this Laplace equation. That means dou u or uxx plus uyy equal to 0 and vxx and vyy equal to 0. U and v satisfy these two equations. So taking this vxx plus vyy equal to 0 here, this becomes equal to 0. So we have proved that ux minus vy equal to 0, or we can say ux equal to vy. Okay, so this is the first Cauchy-Riemann equation for capital U and V. Next, to prove that dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y, that is second Cauchy-Riemann equation, we take this uy plus vx. If you prove that this equals to 0, then we will get the vx equal to minus uy. So to prove that this equal to 0, we substitute for uy and vx from this. So substitute, what is uy? Uy is uyy minus vyx, and plus vx is uxx plus vxy. And now here vyx and vxy are same, so we have minus vyx plus vxy is 0. Then we are left with this uxx plus uyy, and since u is harmonic, we have uxx plus uyy is 0. So substituting, we get 0. So we have uy plus vx equal to 0, therefore vx equal to minus uy, okay, or uy is minus vx. This is second Cauchy-Riemann equation. So both the Cauchy-Riemann equations are satisfied. Also these four partial derivatives ux, uy, vx, vy, all these are continuous functions. So we have the given function f of z equal to u plus iv, that is f of z equal to dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou x plus I dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is analytic function. This completes the proof. Next problem, if f of z is an analytic function with constant modulus, show that f of z is constant. So here given f of z with the constant modulus, we need to show that function f of z is a constant function. So start with this, we have f of z equal to u plus iv, so that modulus of f of z is root of u square plus v square, and suppose this equal to c. Given we have modulus of f of z is constant, it's given f of z is analytic function with constant modulus. So modulus of f of z is constant, call it as c. Okay, root u square plus v square, say it is equal to c. So what is u square plus v square? Squaring both sides, we get u square plus v square equal to c square. Okay, next we need to prove that f of z is constant, and first we will prove that f dash of z equal to 0. If we prove that f dash of z equal to 0, then integrating we get f of z equal to constant. But what is f dash of z? We have f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx. Formula for f dash of z is ux plus ivx. To get the ux and vx, we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, then with respect to y. Okay, so differentiate 1 partially with respect to x first. So derivative of u square with respect to x, keeping y constant, we have 2u dou u by dou x plus second term. Differentiate with respect to x, keeping y constant, is 2e dou v by dou x. Right hand side, c square is constant, so its derivative is 0. So we get this 2u ux plus 2v vx equal to 0. Similarly, differentiating equation 1 with respect to y, partially we get 2u uy plus 2v vy equal to 0. Okay, or we can write dividing throughout by 2 here, we can write ux plus vx equal to 0 and uy plus vy equals to 0. Now we have f dash of z formula is ux plus ivx, that is here both these partial derivatives are with respect to x only. So we are going to change here the second equation in terms of partial derivatives with respect to x only. So we are going to make use of this, that is f of z is analytic function given. So u f of z equal to u plus iv, u and v satisfy Cauchy-Riemann equations. So by Cauchy-Riemann equations we have ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. So we are going to replace in the second equation, replace uy by minus vx and replace vy by ux. So first equation write as it is. We have ux plus vvx equal to 0 and call it as equation 2. And the second equation, replace uy by minus vx. Okay, so this first term is minus uvx now. So minus uvx. And then second term vy, replace it by ux. So this becomes vux. So equate it to 0. So call it as equation 3. Okay, next we are going to solve for ux and vx from these two equations, equations 2 and 3, because here we have f dash of z equal to ux plus ivx and we need to prove that ux equal to 0 and vx equal to 0. If ux is 0, vx is 0, f dash of z becomes 0 plus 0i, that is 0. Integrating we get f of z equal to constant. So to get ux and vx, next step we multiply equation 2 by u and equation 3 by v. So what will you get? So first equation becomes multiplying, this equation 2 becomes multiplying by u, you'll get u square ux plus uv vx equal to 0. And equation 3 multiplying by v, we get v square ux minus uv vx equal to 0. Now if we add these two equations, so here uv vx minus uv vx equal to 0 and we get u square ux plus v square ux equal to 0, or we can write u square plus v square into ux equal to 0. And here note that u square plus v square cannot is not equal to 0, because here we have u square plus v square is c square and we assume that c square is not equal to 0. Because if c square equals to 0, note this, if c square equals to 0, that is u square plus v square equal to 0, then we get that is mod f of z will be equal to 0. That implies f of z equals to 0. If mod f of z is 0, that implies f of z equal to 0 and 0 is a constant. So we get this result for u square plus v square equal to 0. Okay, so assume that u square plus v square not equal to 0, that is c square not equal to 0. So here this is not equal to 0 implies ux equal to 0. Next, to get vx, we multiply equation 2 by v and equation 3 by u. So we'll get the first equation multiplying v, here we get uv ux plus v square vx equal to 0, and this equation multiplying by u, we get uv ux minus u square vx equal to 0. Then we subtract the second equation from the first one, that is uv ux minus uv ux equal to 0 will get, then v square vx minus of minus u square vx, that is v square plus u square vx equal to 0. Okay, so since u square plus v square equal to c square and c square is not equal to 0, we have vx equal to 0. So thus we have proved that ux is 0, vx is 0, that is f dash of z equal to 0 plus 0i, that is f dash of z is 0. Integrating both sides with respect to z, we get integral of f dash of z dz equal to integral of 0, or we can write f of z, integral of f dash of z is f of z equal to constant. This completes the solution of the problem. Thank you.